Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl IJ, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make homemade popcorn. What I'll be needing for this is a pot, a stove, sunflower oil or any oil of your choice, sugar, some like using salt but I'm using sugar, and of course a dry corn seed, and a bowl where I'll be putting my corn when it's ready. So what you want to do is to turn on the heat in your stove and then add your oil and allow the oil to get heated. My oil is heated, so what I'm about to do is to put my popcorn seed and then cover my pot. And you allow the corn to start popping. You can see it's popping already. So when the corn start popping, what you do is you lower the heat of your cooker. Lower the heat of your cooker. So when the corn stop popping, it's still popping. When the corn stop popping, what you do, you open your pot and put your sugar. Open the pot gently and spread in your sugar and cover it. And then you shake it. And then that's it. My popcorn is ready. Woo! You just have to be careful when doing this. You have to be careful when doing this. Yeah, that's it. Very easy and simple to do. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what you think by commenting on this video. Don't forget to share my videos with your family and friends. See you on my next one. Bye.